see. So it's been a little bit since we've been on this project, but we're back revisiting it. Gonna hopefully stick it out through the winter, get it finished up. So I don't know if any of you remember, it's a 175-year-old house. We started the restoration on over a year ago now, but we've kind of been in and out, some other contractors in doing some stuff, but quite the difference from the last video I had. I can't even remember how long ago it was, but we removed the main load-bearing wall in here, dropped the floor about 18 inches, got that going. So Matt and Eric carrying in what seems like a never-ending amount of drywall. Go upstairs here real quick. It's rough, it's a little crude, but it's coming along. Yeah, you can't see much. That classic stone, my buddy Chuck come do some tile. It's got the shower all done here. Well, not much to see here. We still have a ways to go. But we'll go down and check out the progress on the walkout. I don't know if any of you who are following remember seeing a post about creating a new walkout. So you can see here, this was the only access. There were stairs to get downstairs, but let's see, there's Brian working away, just cut the opening. So that's where the door is going to go there, and then once it's all done, we'll eliminate this opening here altogether. I don't know how much we can see. I don't want to bug him. He's got it all tarped over. I'm going to have to come back in a little bit and show you guys all the wall that's done down there, everything that's going on. So check back a little later this afternoon. I'll post another update. Let's see. Morning, guys. Hope everybody's kind of recouped from that snowstorm. Put a little damper on things for us yesterday, so I didn't get the follow-up video. Not a whole lot's changed, but I can kind of show you what's going on with that walkout out here. Oh, by the way, sweet present from my wife for Christmas. It's a beanie with a light on it. If you don't have one, you need to get one. Let's see, so yeah, tarps that were put up to kind of encase the opening didn't hold up to that heavy snow too well. The idea is to try and get some heat down in there so he can continue. We're gonna brick the whole face of this and brick the side of the walkout. I'm trying not to fall here, but again, if any of you are following, you remember that dug this walkout, blocked it in, all the walls, so we'll eventually, weather permitting, pour a slab down here with a drain that's going inside that sump pit, build some steps, and this will be the entrance to the basement, so we can utilize this whole area here. But, that's damn snow. Let's see, we'll go back inside here, show you just a little more. Wrap this up and just kind of keep posting as things progress. So we'll go downstairs here. You can see, try not to fall down the ladder here as I'm going down with one hand. So we've got it all sealed up for now until we're ready. But again, that drain for in there rather than daylight, because we got a long ways to dig to do that. We'll just come into this sump pit here, and this basement's not the most utilizable anyway, so having just an outside access is all we need here. But oh shoot, walk you through the rest of the house again here real quick. So, show a little more what we got going on upstairs here. Not a whole lot's changed. Again, we got cut a little short due to the snow, but guys are working away sheeting the ceiling here so we get it kind of sealed up and keep some of this heat in a little better. Well, again, you guys enjoy the rest of your day and keep checking back. We'll keep posting updates as we progress on this project. Let's see, let a couple log in here. See, morning everyone. Hope you had a good weekend. Getting back on track here this Monday. So we are going to try and resume operations here on this walkout. Got it good and encapsulated, just trying to melt off and get the temp up so we can start breaking in here. The snow put a real damper on things. I'm sure it did for a lot of you. But you can see here, so we've got to get this face all bricked with some decorative brick first, and then we'll pour our slab, get the stairs built. And again, I think I had kind of touched on the drain situation. So we didn't want to daylight a drain. What that means, we'll dig down at this level all the way out the hillside for a drain. It's quite a ways to get the elevation we need. So instead, you can kind of see it's a bit of a disaster. The drain will eventually tie into here, and it'll go into the sump pit where it'll be any water that comes in will be discharged out of the house that way. But yeah, making headway. It's actually nice and warm in here at the moment, so it won't be too awfully long before it start laying some brick. And we didn't make too much progress last week. Again, the snow just put a major damper on things. But I'll show you getting ready to there's Charles there getting ready to sheet the ceiling in here. So this one's gonna be fun. It's close to 10-foot ceiling, so that makes it quite a bit more of a challenge. One thing we're having a heck of a time with this house. There's absolutely, 175-year-old house, nothing is square in here. You can see, so when we started on this project, it was a wonder the house was still standing. The main load-bearing wall ran through here. There was no support under it. So the house is actually settled 3.5 inches from the center to there. So you can see our furring strips we ran. Those are for nothing more than when we lay the ceiling, it actually sits nice and level. Now we go upstairs because of time constraint and budget. We weren't able to quite kick the music off here temporarily, do the same. So we've got our work cut out for us with mud, and it's nothing is even in this house. 175-year-old house. There's Matt and John, I know, absolutely enjoying themselves first thing on a Monday, sheeting the ceiling up here. But we are getting much closer here to start putting some mud down, getting this sealed up. Let's see, see if there's anything else to show here for today. This is not our typical project. Usually sheeting, drywall, goes real quick. Not in this instance. I mean, everything on this house has been a challenge. I mean, it's fought from the every single turn here. So another thing we're doing, the supports for, oh well, that actually got some weight on it from some extra snow here, and that's just mocked up into place. But I'm gonna be replacing all these support beams we're repurposing a lot of the old wood out of the house, just to, since this brick is all gonna stay exposed in here, we want to kind of dress it up with some of the old 100-plus-year-old wood as well. So I don't know if you can see in the video, with how much weight this is carrying, this has actually got a nice bow to it, so we've got to beef it up a little better as well. But it's coming along. One thing I want to try and do this week is post some progress pictures from the beginning until now, and then a lot of you can really appreciate and see how far this project has come. So that's it for today. You guys enjoy the rest of your day, and keep checking back. I'll keep posting updates as this project progresses. So take care. See, morning everyone. Let a couple more log in here. Just wanted to show some more progress on our carriage house project. It's a little misinformed. Thought the place is 175 years old. Not actually entirely sure how old it is. It's mid-19th century for sure. So the original house that this property was for, I found out was built in 1855. So this one was shortly after. What this this house originally was a carriage house for the horses. And can show you, so you see where the brick isn't matched up. That opening used to be the opening where the horses would go in and out of. So hence, why we call it the carriage house project. As far as we know, it was converted to a house back in 1890. So again, don't know the actual build date on this structure. So Brian Martin Masonry's all set up with his sweet fort here to start bricking this face. I'm just waiting for the brick to come in. Was gonna be in today, but snowstorms in Des Moines put a halt on that apparently. Gonna walk around here and see. There's the walkout that's on standby until this brick is all up, so we can get our stairs built, slab poured down there. And I don't think I'm getting out that way. I'll slip out here and pop inside and show some of the continued progress here. It's coming along. The house finally, after over a year, is starting to look like a house on the inside again. So, got the addition. We vaulted the ceilings. It originally was flattened out through here, but vaulted it to open it up a little more. The drywall's just hung, still needs all mudded. It's Eric working away on the drywall here. So where he's at, it's where the kitchen's gonna be. It's gonna be kind of a lichen, living room, kitchen, etc. So run of cabinets will go through here with an island. There's the other side of the breezeway, the addition. We found just all kinds of issues with this. So this addition, when they built it, they never anchored it to the original structure. It actually pulled away almost 3/4 of an inch. So I had to drill through some massive lag bolts through the other side, pull it back in, but got that all taken care of. Go upstairs. Yeah, again, it's starting to look like something finally after, I think it's been a year and a half since we started this project. Again, we've been in and out. Other contractors have had to come in and do stuff, held up due to permits, structural engineering, etc. So we changed the layout up here. Still 3 bedrooms. I managed to squeeze in 1.5 baths, or 2 baths up here actually, I'm sorry. There's John mudding away, working his magic to make it look good. Oh, sorry, John. And here's the this master bath and bed. All in one is what this will end up. Once we're done with mudding and painting here, I gotta patch in all this old flooring, sand it down, refinish it. That'll be another big project in and of itself. But nothing we can't handle, nothing we don't enjoy doing. So again, just wanted to kind of show where we're at. And I will still continue to keep posting updates as we progress. So another month or so in this place is really gonna look like something. So we're excited. Finally, home stretch. So you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy your weekend. It's Friday, so can't be in a bad mood on a Friday.